Hey guys, and welcome back to part 2 of the red Polo restoration. Today we are planning on fixing this exhaust so we can try and jump start the car and see if it will work properly. So the first thing I would like to show you is that we have cleaned the interior. We have cleaned the interior off camera, and it's looking way better now than it did before, which you've probably seen. It's all clean and not get any diseases touching this thing or this or this. And secondly, the thing we have just done before I start filming is we have got it up on the ramp. You might be thinking, how did we get it on the ramp? Well, we used Old Reliable to tow it up onto the ramp, which is a funny idea, but it works. So we could now see the underside of this thing. It's looking pretty bad there. I don't know if that's gonna be a deal breaker for this thing, but as you can see there, the exhaust has snapped off. So I think that is what we're going to be fixing soon and welding this new exhaust on. Well, everything else, it doesn't look too bad really, just a bit rusty and gross. But my main concern is that big rust patch over there, so hopefully we can get that fixed soon. We've also slightly adjusted this bonnet. As you can see, it's been scratching on the paint a bit, but we've managed to get it so it at least looks closed, because we don't want people stealing anything from this. But yeah, that's all we've done really over the past few days while we've been sick and it's been raining. I'm sure you've seen the community posts. The weather's been absolutely awful. And also got these cool stickers to promote the channel. Very cool, thank you Darren, you know who you are. But yeah, that's it really. So I'll keep you updated. Well, the first inspection of this doesn't look too bad, to be fair. I don't know if these holes are meant to be there or not, but just a couple flaky things, but hopefully nothing too serious. Might be a good sign. Well, this delightful bit of rubble just came from this back wheel arch. Look at that, it's literally got eggs on it. I'm sorry if you're squeamish, this is quite gross. There. Right, so some kind person has said to clean out the battery drainage holes so it doesn't get water in it. So this is what we're doing now. Oh my god. That's gross. I'm gonna have to try and find some way to clean all that out. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's dirt or what, but yeah, hopefully if any water gets in there now, it will be able to drain out. Well, as I was cleaning that battery tray out, it's all coming through into the inside of the car. I'm not sure if I can get the camera up there, but it's all coming through here. So my dad says that means the battery tray is rotten, so it's getting worse. I'm gonna get this thing off. There's the exhaust clamp. I'm trying to get the broken bits out so it will hopefully fit on better. Just a side note, we are not professional restorers. Do not follow what we do unless it is actually correct. We do not know. Trying to get that black bit out. It's proving to be quite difficult. Right, we've finally got the broken bit off, so now we have to try and get the exhaust onto the broken bit of the engine. Also, yes, it was all the way over there. We knobbed it in a fit of rage. Well, we just put our hand on the back and need I say more? Yeah, I think that's quite bad. I really think that's quite bad. Exhaust, hopefully going on. I don't know. I can't really see it that well. There we go, yeah. Staying on. And we are now fitting the rear exhaust mount. I'm getting blasted. God, okay, it's holding up all right so far. And now the final mount in the middle. I apologise, by the way, if the camera angle's a bit crap. It's quite dark under the car and it's quite light out here. Can't really see much. But yeah, I think that is a good job. Not bad to say we were going to weld it. On, so we can reattach the exhaust clamp, and then hopefully we can try and jump start this thing, because now after we fetch some petrol, yeah. So I'm gonna fetch petrol, put it in, and hopefully, yeah, like I said, hopefully try and jump start it. On goes the clamp. Now just got to tighten the thing, and hopefully it will stay on and no blowing. And the exhaust clamp is on, so I'm praying that this stays on. Okay, moment of truth, is this engine seized or not?
Not.
It's not seized! Oh, that is amazing news. That means, hopefully, we can get this thing running. That is amazing. It's got what?
Compression.
Compression, that's even better. Oh, that's great. Hopefully it'll run now. Add another pro to the list, the carburetor is not stuck and the air filter is surprisingly in very good condition, although it is small. Trying to get in the petrol can because we don't have a key for it. It's not working so far. Okay, we've just unlocked it with possibly the most accessible tool on the planet. So if you have a 1989 Volkswagen Polo, I would invest in more security for your petrol, because that can open it.
A few moments later.
Right, just got back from the petrol station with £5 worth of petrol. So if this doesn't work in this car, we can at least chuck it in this one, so not a waste of money. I would have filmed it, but you're not allowed phones in the petrol station in case it causes a fire, and I don't blame them, to be honest. But yeah, so in a minute we're going to try and get some petrol down either the carb and the petrol can, which we got open. Then hopefully jump start this battery and see if it runs. Here's our jump leads. You can get these from Tesco for a pretty decent price actually, and they'll definitely come in handy if you ever break down. Not sponsored. Okay, connecting the dead battery. I really hope this works. We're gonna jump the dead one with the not dead one. Sorry. Better not be, God. Okay, they're all connected up. Alright, go on then. I'll keep filming. Let's hope this doesn't blow up, because if it does, I'm gonna get zapped. He's just checking dashboard lights. The lights are coming on. That is insane. Go on, indicate. No, no indicators. Huh? No indicators, no. That works. Jesus Christ, you scared me. That scared me. Ooh. Right. Let's see if it works. That is quite incredible. That is really good. I'm surprised that it even turns over. Got a cat friend. Hello. Oh, hello you. Oh, you're so fluffy. Hello. Oh. Okay, part 2. That is amazing. Oh my God. I can't believe that. First time since 2017 and it started just like that. Truly shows how high quality these things really were. Right, part 3. Fingers crossed, come on. Come on. Just like that. It's smoking, it's smoking. God, that was a lot of smoke. Oh, that stinks. Well, you can see it does run. And again. It wants to. Oh my God, it's shaking like mad. Right guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Next video we're probably going to be changing the interior to put this one, which is nice, into the white Polo, because the interior in the white Polo is ripped and we cannot find a replacement for it. So we're probably going to put this one in there and put the one in the white Polo in here. So yeah, stick around for that. It'll probably be maybe next week, next weekend, sometime. But yeah, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe as well, and hit the notification bell if you want to stay notified on when we upload. So, as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.